Hey, this is Josh Gwynn. Thanks for checking out this course. In this course, I'm going to show you how to create a $1,000 per month website design business. That's something that you can do even if you don't have any experience in website design. So what you're basically going to be doing is learning how to get your own website built, like the one you see on your screen. I built this website with no coding experience whatsoever. I still don't have any coding experience. And you can see that it's a really nice website. It's fully mobile responsive. It's got these beautiful galleries. And this can be built, again, with no website coding experience whatsoever. And I'm going to show you how, once you learn how to do this, that you can start charging businesses for websites and make between $1,000 and $2,000 per month easily part-time with this type of business. And just to show you some examples of this that I've been doing, I'm going to show you some of the invoices that I have paid. This is an invoice for new website design. This is for half of the total. So this invoice is $3,120. So this was a $6,000 website. You can see the total cost right here, the unit cost, $6,000. So this is one example. This was a paid invoice for half of that. I usually charge half up front and then half once the website goes live. Here's another one for another company. This was $1,955 for this invoice. The total cost of this website was $3,911. So you can see that. Here is another. This is a different client. This website was a little bit cheaper. This was when I was just kind of getting started out. The total cost of this website was $1,995. So this invoice was for half of those things, which was $1,159.25 was a total invoice. And then this is another invoice another website I built for the same customer that then wanted a second one. So her first one was a little bit cheaper. It was $27.79 total, and I did some search engine optimization. So I'll show you how to do all of this in the course. Again, this is a course that you can take and learn from even if you don't have experience. I'll show you how to build a website just like the one you're seeing on your screen that is fully mobile responsive. It looks amazing. It moves people down the website. And once you do this and people see this and you can show this to clients, then you have everything you need to build websites for them. So I'm going to show you how to add galleries like this. I'm going to show you how to add video into a website like this. You can see this is a video background image. It's kind of cool looking. And then I'm going to show you how to add a contact form. So once you learn this, you can do this for clients. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to show you how you can make easily $1,000 to $2,000 a month from this type of business. So check out the first lecture of the course. If you haven't gotten the course, go ahead and get it. And I look forward to showing you this stuff. So thanks for watching.